How do I start trading cryptocurrencies? How can I become a master like you? Many have asked me these questions over and over again. They seem to be confused on how to start the journey of trading and investing in cryptocurrencies and make money. Like they see people make money online and share their testimonies of how they make thousands of dollars from the crypto market within few days, few weeks, or few months of investing in a coin. So right now, a lot of people actually are driven by that emotions that, oh, I want to make money too. So what do I do? How do I start? In this video, I'm going to answer those questions for you. How do you start? Simple. The first you need is a proper mentor. You need a mentor to train you on how to go about it to make money, to show you his own style of trading, his own ways of trading, and his secret tools he used to trade and make money. To give you his ideas, his wisdom, and impart them into your mind. However, quality mentor is not free and is not cheap. To see a quality mentor will even take you time of research and searching. And when you find one, they're usually expensive on an average earner, especially in Africa. So you need to understand this. Now, the second way is to personal research, learning, and development, which you can get that through YouTube, Google, and books. However, let me warn you that there are a lot of junks, informations, and trainings out there which has no value, which are not improving and tried and tested to work. So mostly what you come across to that means are actually junks that will end up making you to lose money. So at the end of the day, that's money you don't want to lose, or you don't want to pay a mentor to guide you. You can end up losing that money in doing trial and error to see what works. But a mentor shortens your journey because he already has what works by his experience and by his expertise. He can guide you. Also, you have to understand that crypto is much more sweet, lovely, and beautiful when you join a community. When you join a group of people like you that are aiming to earn from the crypto market, at the same time, in that same group, you have experts that by experience have made a lot of money from the market there to guide you. It makes a journey fast, easier, and loving. When you lose and you display emotion of losses, they can comfort you, talk to you, share their experience with you. How they were once like you in the past. All these will lift your spirit up and make you to aim high in the industry. So having a community of like-minded people that you learn from by paying for a mentor is the best way to learn. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. Just pay a mentor to guide you and instruct you, and you're your way to making money effectively from the crypto markets. I hope this answer your question. So see you the next episode.